Apocrypha from the 16th of 8th month of 1446. Is there any more reason to doubt the apocryphal? Scripture is not just decided in the ecumenical. Memory is not directed according to the historical. Sectary plans of results and the universal filled the pages with more than commonly accepted information. Generally practical, the inconsequential details were of the lost, and the intentions were the same. Community was more of the intent at the cost of division. Ordinary individuals were not meant for some transmissions. And unlike my poems with the basic layout of the Bible, I decided not to include a comment on every known apocryphal book. Certainly the Bible mentions 74 of them. So that would have been a bit sizable in itself.